Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to trade on Stockity, perfect if you are a beginner. So let's jump right in. So first things first, log into your account and then head straight to the trade section at the bottom of the screen. It should be the second option. Now from here, you can choose what you want to trade like crypto, stocks, or other available assets. Just tap the asset you're interested in and it will open up the chart. So let's say I want to choose Pancake Swap. There we go. As you can see, the chart is open for me. Now you can also change how it looks like by tapping the first icon at the top of the asset's name. So you can switch between, oh, let me just go ahead and, there we go. So you can switch between line charts, candlesticks, mountain charts, or bars, so whatever you're most comfortable with. Right next to that, you can also choose your time frame, whether it's just a few seconds, a minute, hourly, or even daily. Now you can also customize the chart. You can add indicators to help with analysis, change their colors, adjust the settings, or remove them anytime. So for the last option, you can also use drawing tools like trend lines, horizontal lines, or remove them anytime. There's also an option for vertical lines here to mark key areas on the chart. Now, when you're ready to trade, enter the amount you want to use. Then all I have to do is select the trade duration, for example, 5 seconds or a minute. And after that, just simply choose whether you think the price will go up or down. Once a trade is placed, you can track it in the trades section where you'll see the countdown to expiration and whether the trade ends in profit or loss. And that's basically it. That's how trading on Stockity works. Select an asset, analyze the chart, place your trade, and track your results. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!